Hey guys, a few days ago I've been digging through my old stuff and I found this phone. This is Galaxy S3 Mini. So I'm thinking about tear it apart. So on this video I will open up Galaxy S3 Mini to see what's inside. So I'm starting to go through all the screws one by one and that is how I do it. So after I take it out, I'm trying to open it all up. So here is a step. I'm trying to take out the back panel. So yes, you need to take out all the batteries, and I use this screw to tear it apart. So at this point I think I struggle a bit because I don't know how to open it up properly. So I take a few times and now I get it out. So here is the inside. This is the back panel. So you see the frame, the plastic frame just hold everything together, and this is the board of the phone. So you see this button is kind of removable on the both side, both volume buttons and the power button. So here's the pictures of it. Okay, so now you need to take the board out to see the front panels of the board. So you take off the connecting part that connect the screen to the board. And that is the part that connects you to earpiece. First I thought that that thing is removable, but it's not, so you need to be careful when you take that out. And that is the front rear camera. So yes, that is the camera. I thought that is the component that you can take it out, so I tried to and I almost break it. So you shouldn't do that. Okay, so after you take all the connecting part out, so I open it up and I realized that it's stuck. The earpiece is still stuck inside, but I show you inside anyway. So after I took a while, I paused the video, I took the earpiece out, and here is how it looked from the front and the back. So there you go. It's nothing much, but it's kind of interesting how the phone evolved through time. Here's how it looks. And the screen panels just stick to the front, so you cannot take anything out. If you want to change screen, you need to change the whole thing. So this is a montage where I put everything back together.